Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my favorite lipsticks from 2020. I'll be sharing the lipsticks from both drugstore and high-end categories. I'm actually doing this 2020 favorite series on my channel. I've already uploaded two videos in this series where I shared with you my drugstore makeup favorites and my high-end makeup favorites. But I didn't share the lipsticks because I was planning on doing this video, a separate video where I'll share all the lipsticks with you. नाउ जो भी लिपस्टिक्स मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ इस वीडियो के अंदर, इसमें मैं आपके साथ एक पर्टिकुलर शेड शेयर कर रही हूँ, बट आई लाइक अदर शेड्स एज वेल इन द सेम लिपस्टिक रेंज। जस्ट दैट ये जो शेड मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ वो मुझे थोड़े से ज़्यादा पसंद है बाकी अदर शेड से। सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू नो माई फेवरेट लिपस्टिक्स फ्रॉम दिस ईयर 2020, प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। Here I have few lipsticks which actually launched in 2020 or which I tried in 2020. Like there are high-end brands, few high-end brands which I tried this year, and कुछ ऐसी lipsticks भी हैं जो मुझे काफ़ी पसंद हैं and I was using them throughout the year, so I thought of including those as well in today's video. So let's start. So the first lipstick I have is this one from Nykaa. It's their So Creme Creamy lipstick, and this one is in the shade Let It Snooze. I am actually wearing this lipstick only on my lips. So this is how this lipstick looks like. It's a bullet lipstick and this is the shade. It's a creamy matte lipstick, so this formula is really good and very comfortable. It glides on the lips very smoothly and काफ़ी अच्छी pigmentation भी है इसकी. It doesn't last for a really long time obviously because it's a creamy lipstick, so it's not transfer proof. It transfers a lot actually, so it doesn't last for a really long time, but काफ़ी comfortable to wear है. Lips को dry भी नहीं करती है, and the shade range is also very good. Like they have like 20 or 24 shades in this lipstick range. I'm not exactly sure कितने shades हैं, but the shade range is good and there are very beautiful nude shades as well. तो I really like this shade, the shade Let It Snooze. इसमें और भी कुछ shades हैं मुझे काफ़ी पसंद हैं, but ये वाला मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. So I thought of including this shade in today's video. Now the next lipstick is again from Nykaa and it's from their Ultra Matte lipstick range, which is this one. So I have the shade 06 Diana with me. This is a really pretty shade. Now this lipstick formula is one of my favorite formula. Like bullet lipstick में ये मेरा one of my favorite formulas है. ये matte है, total matte lipstick है. So this is the lipstick. So it's a bullet lipstick and it's a matte lipstick. Like जैसे वो So Creme Creamy lipstick is a very creamy lipstick, but this is not that creamy. It's a ultra matte lipstick, but still it doesn't dry out your lips. Like it's still comfortable to wear and the pigmentation is really good. It has a very opaque pigmentation. Like you can see, it's a very opaque pigmentation. Just that when you apply these lipsticks, right, initially there will be little bit of tugging and pulling when you apply this lipstick. These are little bit dry, but still the formula is good and it is comfortable to wear, and there are very nice shades as well available in this lipstick range, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं है, and you can easily get discounts on this lipstick. So this shade Diana, I really love this shade, and there is one more shade which I really like from this range, which is Zane. वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा nude shade है, but I didn't want to include two shades from the same range, तो इसलिए मैंने ये वाला shade include किया. So this is the next lipstick. Since we are talking about the lipsticks from Nykaa, I have one more lipstick to share with you, which is from Nykaa. I promise this is the last one. So this is the liquid lipstick from Nykaa. It's their Matte to Last liquid lipstick. And this one is in the shade Kashi. इसका मुझे एक और shade बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, which is Madras Kapi, which is this one. I have the mini one in this shade Madras Kapi, and ये finish हो चुका है actually. So I thought of including this one. मुझे ये जो formula है वो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. It's a liquid lipstick, but ये इतना comfortable है lips पे. Like इसकी जो consistency है ना वो बहुत ही thin consistency. It's very liquidy, बहुत thin consistency है. तो it's not opaque. आपको एक ही बार application में full coverage नहीं मिलेगी. You'll have to apply like 2 layers at least to get a full coverage on the lips, but it doesn't dry out your lips. It's very comfortable to wear, and it's very lightweight as well, and it lasts for a really long time. Like easily 6 to 7 hours last कर जाती है lipstick. I bought this lipstick for special occasions as well, like when you need to wear some lipstick for like 6+ hours 7+ hours उस टाइम पे मैंने इसको वेयर किया है। एंड दिस लिपस्टिक इज़ अ रियली रियली प्रिटी लिपस्टिक। ये मद्रास काफ़ी मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है ये शेड। इट्स अ वेरी नाइस nude brown shade, and this also I really like. This is the shade Kashi. These are actually not new lipstick and they didn't launch this year. They launched I guess last year, but I really enjoy this formula, so that's why I thought of including these lipsticks in this video. So the next lipstick which I have is this one from Lakme. It's their Forever Matte lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick from Lakme and it's a really beautiful lipstick. The formula is really good and ये बहुत ज़्यादा affordable भी है. Generally जो liquid lipsticks रहती है ना वो इतनी affordable होती नहीं है, but this one is really affordable. I guess this one retails for 250 or 300 or something, and the formula is really good. Again, it's a very liquidy formula, so it's very comfortable to wear on the lips. Also, it's a transfer proof lipstick, so it lasts for a really long time. Easily 6 to 7 hours last कर जाती है, and it's very comfortable to wear. और जो शेड रेंज है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, काफ़ी अच्छे प्रिटी शेड्स अवेलेबल है इस लिपस्टिक रेंज में. एंड it was a really good find this year. They actually launched this lipstick this year only. I think so, yeah, so it's a very good formula for the price you are paying. Next I have this lipstick from Maybelline. It's their sensational liquid lipstick. So Maybelline came out with these liquid lipstick this year. This is a really beautiful formula, and again this also is really affordable. Like this retails for some 300 or 350 or something. The shade which I have is Best Babe. It's a really pretty pink nude shade. I'll show you. It's a very pretty shade, and the formula again is a really beautiful formula. This is the shade. Again, it's a liquid lipstick, but it has that moussey kind of texture to it, so it feels really comfortable on the lips. And this one also stays for a really long time. Again, it's a transfer proof lipstick, stays for a really long time, comfortable formula, lightweight and everything, and shade range is also very pretty. Next I have this liquid lipstick from Shambur. This is not a new lipstick, I mean this didn't launch in 2020. This is there in the market from really long time. I guess 2-3 साल पहले launch हुई थी ये, but I came across this lipstick last year only, at the end of the last year, and I really love this formula. Again, it's a liquid lipstick, still it's a really beautiful, it's a very comfortable formula. It has a very opaque pigmentation. This is also a transfer proof lipstick, so this one stays for a really long time. Again, this will last easily for 7 to 8 hours, and the shade range is also pretty. I have only 2 shades, like I have shade 402 and 483. Both shades are really beautiful, but for today's video I chose the shade 483 because I like that shade more, and that is more wearable. काफी सारे looks के साथ you can wear this shade, and this is a very pretty formula, very pretty shade, and overall I really like this lipstick. I like the packaging of this and everything. I actually want to try more shades from this lipstick range, but I have a lot of lipsticks, so I'm not buying any more shades. But once I finish one of these lipstick, I'll be buying some new shade of this lipstick range. Next I have this crayon lipstick from Sugar. This is their Matte as Hell crayon lipstick, and the shade I have is 16 Clear Underwood. I really love this shade, and the formula is also really good. This is a crayon lipstick, and the pigmentation of this lipstick is very opaque, like you see. You can see, right? It's a very opaque color, and it applies really smoothly on the lips. Again, it's not a drying formula, it's very comfortable to wear, and this one also stays for a really long time. It is not a transfer proof lipstick, but it transfers very less, so that's why it stays for a good amount of time. And this lipstick range from Sugar is actually very good. It has a lot of shades. I guess 30+ shades available हैं इस लिपस्टिक रेंज में. आई एम नॉट एग्जैक्टली श्योर, बट शुगर ना बार नए शेड्स लॉन्च करते रहते हैं इस लिपस्टिक रेंज के अंदर, एंड इट्स अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल लिपस्टिक. एंड दिस शेड इज one of my favorite shades from this crown. This is not a neutral or anything, it's a burnt orange shade, and it looks so pretty. So that's why I have included this shade in today's video. But overall this lipstick range is really good, and the formula is very nice. Next I have one more liquid lipstick, and this one is from L'Oreal. It's their Roots Signature lipstick. I really like the packaging of this lipstick. It comes in this frosted tube and this detailing here, so I really like the packaging. And this lipstick is also very good. Again, it's a liquid lipstick, and It also has a very thin texture, so it's very liquidy and it has a very thin texture, so it's very comfortable to wear. It's not highly pigmented or it doesn't have opaque color, so you'll have to apply like 2 layers of this lipstick, but you can easily apply 2 layers of this lipstick because the formula is really good and it doesn't cracks up on the lips or anything. बहुत ही अच्छा formula है, and the shade range is also good. They have like 12 shades or something in this lipstick range, or maybe more, I'm not exactly sure, but the shade range is good. And the shade I have is the shade I Choose. Iska ek shade aata hai I Explore, which is also good. I couldn't find that shade somehow, so I picked the second best, which is I Choose. This also is a really pretty shade. It's like a pink nude shade and it looks so beautiful on the lips. This lipstick actually doesn't last for a really long time, but it will easily last for like 5 to 6 hours. Still, it's a good amount of time it will last, and the formula is really comfortable and very beautiful. Next, I have this very pretty lipstick from Faces Canada. It's their Jewel Cut lipstick. First of all, I love this lipstick because of the packaging of the lipstick. You can see it's a very pretty packaging and it looks very luxurious. When you hold this lipstick, it doesn't feel luxurious, but by looking at the lipstick, it looks very luxurious. I am really in love with the packaging of this lipstick, and it's a bullet lipstick, so this is how it looks. So the shape of the bullet is also very good. It's a very unique shade. By looking at the shape, you'll feel like it will be difficult to apply this lipstick, but no, it's very easy to apply this lipstick. This bullet is actually good, and yeah, easily आप apply कर सकते हैं. Now the shade I have is the shade Coco Rouge. It's a really pretty brown shade, cool tone brown shade. So I hope you can see this is the shade. It's a very pretty shade, and the formula again is really beautiful. It's a very creamy lipstick and the pigmentation is really opaque. You can see in the, here is the swatch. You can see in the swatch, it's a very opaque formula. The color is really opaque, and it's very comfortable. It's not at all drying on the lips. Since it's creamy, it doesn't last for a really long time because it's not a transfer proof lipstick. It will easily transfer, but you can easily reapply this lipstick if it fades away, because since it's creamy lipstick, it's very easy to reapply this lipstick. So it's it can last you for a long time, but otherwise the formula is really good and it looks so beautiful as well. It will look so beautiful sitting on your vanity. So yeah, I really like this lipstick. I have some other shades as well in this lipstick, but I picked this one because this was little different. So next I have these two lipstick from Colourpop. It's their lippy sticks, and I got these two shades with me. First one is Lumiere and second is Kapish. ये दोनों ही shade ये दोनों ही शेड काफी अच्छे हैं, and these lipsticks from Colourpop are really good. It's a crayon, so it looks like this, and when you open it, yeah, it's a crayon lipstick. It's a retractable crayon lipstick. So these are highly pigmented. The color is really opaque. These are very creamy lipsticks, so it's very easy to apply. These are creamy but still matte, and they do transfer, but इतना ज़्यादा transfer नहीं होती हैं, तो it will easily last for like 6+ hours. आराम से 6+ hours तो last कर ही जाएंगी, even more than that. And it looks so pretty on the lips somehow. It has a little bit of shine to it, not too much, मतलब बहुत थोड़ी सी shine है lipsticks में, so it looks really pretty on the lips. Colourpop actually has a wide range of shades in this lipstick. I think I have 4 shades और मुझे सारे shades काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं, but I picked these 2 shades because ये दोनों shades मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. This shade Lumiere and the other one is Kapish. Lumiere shade मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से है, Kapish I bought some time back only. तो ये दोनों ही shades भी मुझे पसंद है, and this formula as well I really like. Now I'm talking about some high-end lipsticks which I really love. So first one is these one from Huda Beauty. It's their liquid lipstick. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this frosted bottle and a frosted tube, and yeah, you get this kind of 2-foot applicator. And these lipsticks are so good. These are liquid lipstick. Again, it's very easy to apply, and they have a very nice opaque pigmentation. These are not very heavy. Like इनका texture भी ना liquidy texture है, बहुत ज़्यादा liquidy नहीं है like the other lipstick, but बहुत ज़्यादा thick भी नहीं है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा pigmentation मिल जाता है आपको, but still it's very comfortable to wear and बिल्कुल भी ड्राइंग नहीं लगती लिप्स पे, थोड़ा सा क्रीमी काइंड ऑफ फील है लिपस्टिक की, तो ड्राई आउट नहीं करती है लिप्स को और काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर है। इट्स नॉट लाइक अदर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक विच कैन ड्राई आउट योर लिप्स, ऐसा फॉर्मूला नहीं है इनका, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल फॉर्मूला है। दे डोंट ट्रांसफर बट दे डोंट लास्ट वेरी लॉन्ग एज वेल। लाइक लिक्विड लिपस्टिक होती हैं तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लास्ट करती हैं, बट दिस वन डजंट लास्ट फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम। लाइक इट विल लास्ट फॉर 6 hours or something, but considering it's Huda Beauty and it's very expensive lipstick, so I was expecting it to last for at least like 8-9 hours, but yeah, they don't last that much long. They last for like 6+ hours or something, but the formula is really beautiful. And I have these two shades which are my favorite shades. Actually I have I think 4 shades और मुझे सारे shades काफ़ी पसंद है, but ये दोनों मैं सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. First one is the shade Trendsetter. It's a very nice terracotta brown shade. It's a very beautiful nude shade और सब तरह के eyelids पे ये चल जाता है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत शेड है. And next I have this shade. This is a mauve shade. This is in the shade Trophy Wife. ये शेड भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. मुझे इतना पसंद आया कि I bought one more of this and I gifted it to my sister because it's a really pretty shade and हर किसी पे ना ये शेड काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. Anyone can wear this shade easily. तो इसीलिए ये दोनों शेड्स मैंने पिक किए. Both are really pretty and the formula also is really beautiful. So next I have this lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their liquid lipstick. I have this one in the shade Ashton with me. मेरे पास और भी शेड्स हैं इस लिपस्टिक के, बट आई लाइक दिस वन द मोस्ट. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल शेड है एंड दिस लिक्विड लिपस्टिक इज़ अ रियली गुड लिपस्टिक. इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी भी ना बहुत ज़्यादा थिक नहीं है. इट्स आई थिंक थिकर देन द हुडा ब्यूटी वन, बट स्टिल बहुत ज़्यादा थिक नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी फील नहीं होती है लिप्स पे, बट स्टिल इट्स अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर्मूला. Again, this also doesn't dry out your lips, or it's a transfer proof lipstick and it will last for a really long time, like easily 8+ hours तो last कर ही जाएगा. Like it's the same I was expecting with Huda Beauty. मुझे ये formula बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. I don't know why people don't talk about this lipstick formula much, but this is a really beautiful formula. It's very comfortable formula और shades भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. मुझे ये shade काफ़ी पसंद है Ashton, and I thank Shivangi. She has an Instagram store, Makeup Zone India. I bought this one from her and she only recommended this one to me. So I thank her for this lipstick because I am in totally love with this shade and this lipstick. I really love this formula. So yeah, this was my next pick. The next lipstick I have is from Kylie Jenner. It's their matte bullet lipstick. So this is how it looks like. इस पे ना नीचे Kylie Jenner लिखा हुआ है. I think it's a लिमिटेड एडिशन और समथिंग बिकॉज इसकी पैकेजिंग इस तरह की है. जनरली सारी लिपस्टिक की, सारी जो उनकी मैट लिपस्टिक है उसकी पैकेजिंग इस तरह की नहीं आती है. सो दिस इज द लिपस्टिक. दिस वन इज इन द शेड येस बेबी. इट्स अ रियली प्रिटी शेड. इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी न्यूड ब्राउन शेड. सो दिस वन इज द शेड. It's a very pretty shade and I really love this formula. This one is a very nice creamy matte formula and it has a opaque pigmentation. Single swipe में भी आपको बहुत अच्छा pigmentation मिलता है lips पे. It's very easy to apply on the lips. There won't be any tugging or pulling. बहुत easily apply हो जाती है. It's a creamy lipstick but it lasts for a good amount of time. Like it does transfer but बहुत ही कम transfer होती है, तो it lasts for a good amount of time and the formula is really nice and very comfortable. I like this formula more than the liquid lipstick. तो उनकी जो liquid lipstick है ना बहुत ज़्यादा famous है. Like many people love those liquid lipstick, but I actually didn't like that formula much. That formula is little bit drying, जो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. The shade range and everything is really good. बट फॉर्मूला मुझे उतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ ड्राइंग, बट दैट इज़ नॉट द केस विद दिस वन. इट्स अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर्मूला, तो आई लाइक दीज वन more than their liquid lipstick. The last lipstick which I have is this one from Jeffree Star. It's their Velour liquid lipstick and the shade I have is Leo. This also is a really good formula. I wanted to buy these lipstick from Jeffree Star from really long time, but I bought these lipstick this year only. I actually have like 4 or 5 shades in this lipstick range और मुझे सारे shades काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं, but this shade Leo is my favorite. It's a very nice nude shade and ये भी काफ़ी eye looks के साथ चल जाता है. Like whenever I look for some nude lipstick and I'm not sure which one I want to wear, I always reach out to this one. because it's a very good formula. Again, it's a liquid lipstick, but इसकी जो consistency है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा thin भी नहीं है, बहुत thick भी नहीं है. It's somewhere in between, and it has a very nice opaque pigmentation. Also, it doesn't dry out your lips a lot. Like थोड़ा बहुत drying तो feel होती है lipstick, but not like Kylie Jenner lipstick. It doesn't dry out your lips that much. So if you prep your lips properly, you can easily wear this lipstick. And this one also is a transfer proof lipstick, so it will last for a really good time, like easily 7-8 hours last करी जाएगी ये lipstick. तो ये भी मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है, and this shade is also really pretty. So yeah, those were all the lipsticks which are there in my 2020 favorite lipsticks, and that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.